Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. This is the first workout in a new series called Sit Fitness in 7 minutes, and we are doing a different style of seated chair fitness every single session. So are you ready to join me? Take a seat. We are going to go with cardio first of all. So this is perfect if you are getting back to fitness. If you've got any issues with your joints or mobility, we've got some great music, and it's only 7 minutes. I know that you can do this. Are you ready? So this is our first part of the series, and it's cardio. Now I want you to think about your posture, contract your core muscles, bring your shoulders back and down. Are you ready? I just want you to tap side to side, just easy there. And you can make this as big, or you can do it really small if you're just getting used to it. 7 minutes, that's all it will take. It's going to really invigorate you, I promise. Take an arm up. And anything that you need to modify, not a problem, please do. Just the legs. We're going to also work your brain, a bit of mental cognition. Take your arm up. Good. Do it again for 2 on the right, 2 on the left, 2 on your right. Yay! Now take your arm as well. 2 across and change. 2 over. 1 more. Going to change the feet now. Just going to do a heel dig. That's it. Heel dig again. Shall we add some arms? Yes, let's add some arms. Single, single, and double. And your heart rate will definitely come up. We're going to put this all together. Are you ready? Single side tap. Here we go with your doubles. Double again. Now single. Let's go. 1. Here we go. I'm snapping my fingers. Here's your doubles. Now heels to the front. Single arm. Both together. And again. Single. So that's a bit like patting your head and rubbing your stomach, isn't it? Doubles. You've got it, guys. 1 more. Here we go with your doubles. From the top. Let's go again. And if you want to slow anything down, of course you can. Here's your doubles. Your workout. I just want to help you get moving. 4 singles. Here we go with your double. I want it. Heel digs. Let's go. Single, double. And again, single, single. I'll try not to sing. Single and double. Good, 1 more. Let's go. Single. Okay, I want you to march. March in your chair. 1, 2, 3 tap. So 1, 2, 3 tap. And again. 1. Then tap. That's good. 1, 2, 3 tap. There. Now take the tap to the side. So 1, 2, 3 and tap. And again. 1, 2, 3 and tap. Again. Right, left. Then tap. Good. 1 more. 1, 2, 3 and tap. Now just march with a roll. Roll forward, roll high, roll forward and roll high. I know you can do it. Roll forward. So this is our cardio sit fitness. Roll forward and roll back. Let's take an arm line. Single, single, both to the top. I'm just still moving my legs, still marching, but you can keep your legs still if you want to concentrate on your upper body. Good, and again, single, single, double. Now an L shape, right, left. Good again. How's it feel? Let me know. Shout at the screen. 1. And then both together, lift, up and out. We're going to put everything together. Are you ready? 4 singles. Let's go on the double. Double again. You can lean over, definitely getting warmer now. Is your heart rate coming up? Doubles over, and then you have the heel dig to the front. Let's go. Heel, double. Now remember, it's only 7 minutes. You can always do the workout twice through if you wanted to do 40 minutes. But in the comments at the end, let me know how you get on. 1, 2, 3 tap. 1, 2, 3 and tap. And again. And tap. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3 tap. Just keeping it really simple. 3 and tap. 1, 2, 3 and tap. Keep marching, L shape. There. Both together. Up, shoulders out. And again, right arm, left arm. Take it up. One more. Let's go again. Come on. Right and left. And then both together. Good. If you've got a heart rate monitor on, I would love to know if you get your heart rate up. One more. Up and out. Okay, with your legs, I want you to do a box step. You know, if you were standing, you would go, this is a bit old school aerobics, you would go out, out together, bit of a roll. There. And if you feel that you are feeling a bit stronger, you could do some of the exercises seated like I am, and then you could do some standing, a bit assisted with your chair. One more. Now take it wide, out, out, in. Check out that posture. Good. Now can we mix those together? Come on, let's go forward. Right leg forward, and then wide. Good, and then wide. You've got it, let's go. Forward. Take it out. One more forward. I could be whatever. Can we go from the top? 4. In a second, 4 over. Here it comes. Are we ready? Doubles. 1. Reach it up to the corners. Now singles. 1. Good. Single to the front. Double. Good. And again, big reach up. That's it with your doubles. I know you can do it. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, heel dig. And again, I could be whatever. Good. L shape. O together. Right and left. And then both together. 2 more. Let's go. L shape. These 7 minutes flies by. Just flies by. Now take a box step. There. Let's add a roll as we come together. So forward, forward, roll it. Now take it wide, out, out. Keep that back straight. Down, down, 1 more, we're nearly there. Single knee lift, 1, 3, good, 4. I want you to keep it going. If you can reach, just touch the foot. 1. Keep it going with the knees, I know you can do it. Lift, again. There we go. Now just march on the spot. 1. Tap it out to the side. How do you feel? Do you feel invigorated? Do you feel positive? Have you got your heart rate up? Should we do the whole thing for 1 more time? Come on, why not? Let's go. 2 lifts. 2 across. Single. 1. Bring the heel to the front. Double. 1 more. Double. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Then tap. Come on, do it with me. L shape. Right and left, both up. 1 more. Both up. Do you remember that old school box step? Bit of old school aerobics. Now take it wide. Good. Forward and back. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then wide, and we are there. We've hit our 7-minute mark. Good work. Take a deep breath, breathe in, and breathe out. 1 more, breathe in, you can do it. In. Good, now make sure in the comments you let me know how you got on with that workout. So put a comment in and look out for the rest of the Sit Fit video series. And if you've just jumped on this video, remember to subscribe, click the bell, and I will see you on YouTube very, very soon. See you soon.